video, we're gonna do only one experiment from here. I already did this one without you guys. We're gonna do to build a volcano. So this one, there's great slime in here, but we're building a volcano. Let's get started. So it says to take off the lid.
Funnel in.
And then you put the funnel in and pour baking soda.
Vinegar.
Vinegar in.
Go slow, pour slow.
And
You're gonna be talking during it too.
so that's finished.
All right, put a little red dye in there, just a little
Put
bit.
red dye. Should I take out the phone?
Nope, put it in there.
Okay, we're gonna pause.
Okay, I'm putting half of baking soda in the volcano.
Shake it, shake it. All right, move it there.
Good. Oh!
Oh, look at there.
And we got a volcano.
You want to see her out some more? Put some more in there.
No, just dump this a little bit. Ah,
Like this one.
there we go.
Thumbs up? Give me a thumbs up.
Should I
All right,
touch
let me
it?
clean it.
Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and turn on notifications and give me a huge thumbs up. And bye. Bye.